subscribe.
Let's sing and learn, it's so much fun. M and O for everyone. We'll explore, we'll move, we'll shout hooray. Come along, let's start today. M is for moose, tall and strong. Marching slowly, stomping along. Let's march together, 1, 2, 3. Big antlers up just like me. N is for newt, so tiny and cute. Crawling and swimming, it's in pursuit. Wiggle your fingers, crawl like a newt. Slide through the water in your little suit. O is for octopus, swirling around. 8 arms spinning, making no sound. Wiggle your arms like the octopus do. Swim in the ocean, me and you. P is for peacock, spinning around. Colorful feathers touching the ground. Let's flap our arms and twirl with grace, like a peacock in a dancey race. Q is for quokka, grinning so wide. Jumping and hopping from side to side. Smile like a quokka, big and bright. Spreading happiness feels so right. R is for raccoon, searching for treats. Tiptoeing softly on tiny feet. Let's pretend to sneak around, looking for treasures on the ground. At and L we sang today. Learning is fun in every way. Jump, march, and dance, it's never a bore. Come back soon to learn some more.